You gonna say hi? Say hi. You not gonna say hi? We doing figures today? Say, hi, this is Zoe and Pop. We got Jordan again. Alright, we're doing an unboxing. Right? One for the show? Right? Look at that one. We're doing Wonder Woman. Nope, gotta sit down. Nope, gotta sit down. Uh-oh. Jordan go crazy. Alright. You wanna do the figure? Can you say Diana? Yep, that's Diana. You know that. Say Diana.
Who's that?
Diana. God bless. Somebody sneezed. Alright, we got this one. We're gonna open this up. Show them. Show them funny face. Show funny face. Yeah, that's my funny face. Whoops. Let's see. Alright, so get this open. Hold on. Alright. Put that over there where it's safe. And now we take Hold on, she got those weird things on. I can't see, sweetie, when you do that.
Open good.
That's okay.
Oh, there you go.
I see. Hold on. Pop can do this. Ah, we did it. How about that? And we got her out. Who's that? Is that Diana?
I know her likes that.
What is it?
Say Diana.
Well, what's her real name? Her superhero name?
Superwoman.
No.
Yes.
Wonder Woman. You gonna show? You gonna show? Oh. Another one? It's going on our shelf, right? I think Diana needs a hug. Give her a hug. No hug for Diana? Nice. You like that?
I like.
You like that, huh?
I love you.
Let me get that stand out.
You're so cute.
Alright, go
Gotcha.
play. Go play. It's her turn, not yours.
No, I'm just looking at her.
Go play.
I didn't see her. I just want to look at her. I love her. Oh my gorgeous baby. I love you, baby girl.
There you go. You show the card? Show the card. You show the card. No, that's not where the card goes. So watch. See, look. Wow. Yeah, your card? Jordan keeps all of them. Let's see. How we do this.
I guess I'm going to. You start being shiny, friendly, daddy knows.
Stands pretty good.
Yeah. You
Damn earthquake. Earthquake going on here. You like that one? Do you like it?
Oh.
Show them your funny face. Make your funny face. Make funny face. Oh, you getting the whip? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? I know where your belly is. Your belly right there. I get your belly button. I get your belly button. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go put her on the shelf with Dawnbreaker, right? We're gonna go put her on the shelf. Say nope, you gotta say Diana. Can you say Diana? You don't want to? Can you say Batman? Can you say Superman? When she's in the mood, she says I'm fine. Who's Superman? Alright, well. Alright, we're gonna go bye-bye. Alright, so say bye-bye. Bye-bye.